So in this lesson, we're going to talk about the um, grit assignment part 2, and you're supposed to go through this resource, but in part 1 we've already gone through it, so you can check that video out. Yeah, I think this one's a video, so we didn't really go through it, but the power of yet is just telling yourself that whenever you face any circumstances of failure, instead of saying I failed, you say I am yet to accomplish that task. You understand? And then we have the growth mindset, which is different from the fixed mindset. Growth mindset is a mindset that allows you to accept challenges and face challenges, while fixed mindset doesn't. It is fixed. It doesn't accept challenges. Once it sees challenges, it runs from it or feels like it can attempt it or do those challenges. So back out from challenges, and then we have Angela talking about grit, I guess. So at the long run, you should be able to answer these different questions. You should be able to know about grit, fixed mindset, growth. Understand? I've already talked about these ones, and then how the brain behave when they are fixed versus growth. You see, growth mindset brain, they have a lot of activities going on in their brain, and then fixed mindset, they are just there. You understand? So the growth mindset allows the brain to grow more and even make you a better person, a better thinker, a better solution getter or task solver. So you go through this stuff, and then it's just telling you that you should interview an adult and ask them some few questions about their success. You ask them questions, thank them for their time. The first question is, can you share a brief story about a time you were successful in your life, and all that. And then the first one that pop up in their head should be what they tell you, and how do they feel when they succeed. um, Eventually it's going to be I feel great, and then what do you think helped you achieve this? Probably they were consistent or so. So you ask them about the failure, when they failed, the one that first popped up in their head. How do they feel when they failed, and what do they think contributed to their failure? Probably they were inconsistent and all that. So what did you learn from your success? Ask them, and what did they learn from their failure? And then that all. So if there's anything they want to share again with you, let them share. So the first step, this is where your task is going to go on now. So you write the person's name, the interviewee's name, the time and place you did the interview, and then these are the three major things you're going to ask the person, which is you're going to ask the person, so which is list several statements made by each interview. You're going to deduct, sorry, from what you've asked the person. So once you are done here with the person, you are done. So this one is left to you to write down as your assignment. Okay. So so you're going to, from what the person has said, you indicate each statement, if it is a growth mindset or fixed mindset. So all the statement the person said, you list the one that falls under growth and the one that falls under fixed. Majorly the one of failure will fall under fixed, and growth will be the one of success. So did your interviewee's story involves grit or lacks grit? Majorly this one will be success, this one will be failure. And then what surprised you after conducting it? Is there anything you've learned from the interview? So all these questions, you write them in a Google Doc, and then you make sure you give access to anyone with the link, change the access to anyone with the link. Okay, so once you're done, copy that link, you paste it here. Let me just refresh my page. I should have pasted it. Okay, so let's come down. So once you paste it, you click on save, it comes here, and then you go down, you click on done, and then ready for manual review. So it will ask you, are you sure your projects will become available for peer review? You said okay, and then all you need to do is copy this code and share it to your Slack for someone to review for you. Okay, this is the code you're going to share to people to review for you. So let me just say, once they click on this code, they will have access to these documents and scores for them to grade you. So if you click on my own document, for example, which you will not be sending to them, is the other link you'll be sending. So my interviewee's name is Mr. Brown, and the time is 8:50 a.m. Lekki Phase 1, Lagos State. And sorry, why is it acting up? Let's cancel this. Okay, good. So let's just continue coming down. So list several statements. So these are the growth statements here, and these are the fixed statements. He said, I believe that with effort and dedication I can improve my skills, and this is a good statement. So these are a series of growth and fixed statements said by the man, and then I explained more on the growth statement. And then, did your interview story involve grit? Yes. And then I said why it involved grit, and the willingness to continue pushing and all that. And story of failure does not involve grit. Okay, so like that. And what surprised you? And this is what surprised me throughout this interview. I was pleasantly surprised by the depth of insight shared by the interview. It was a valuable experience that taught me the impact of mindset and all that. And then that's all I impute on my stuff. So just share that, and that will be all. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any video you have any difficulty with, still put it on the comment section, and I'll be happy to help. See you.